Your health, your 健康 is the most important thing that you have in this life. And we should take good care of it. We should take good care of our 身体, our bodies, and also our 心理, our mind. Our mental well-being is also important. And we should be able to discuss it freely and also to seek help if you need it. But we will discuss how to talk about mental health in Chinese in a separate video. For this video, I will limit myself to only the physical things. So your health is your 健康. You can also say your 身体健康. Your 身体 is your body. When you're not feeling well, you can say 不舒服. Means you're a little bit, you feel sick. You're not feeling well. Or you could say 生病, which means you are ill. I will split this topic into 3 videos for your and my convenience. The first is where to go and whom to see. The second one is what's the matter? Why do people go to the doctors? And helpful for you, if you are in a Chinese-speaking country, you can understand maybe a little bit better what the doctor is saying to you, and you can tell the doctor why you're there, what is wrong with you. And the third part is treatment. What is the doctor going to do about what you have? Okay, the first one, where to go when you're feeling ill. First thing that comes to mind is the doctors. A doctor in Chinese is 医生. The 医 means medical, things that have to do with medicine. So 医生 is doctor. 医院 is hospital. And if it's a famous or a big hospital, people will say 大医院. So there are better doctors there most of the time. So 大医院. I'm not saying that there actually are better doctors there, but that's the perception of a lot of people. But most of the times, and I speak from experience in Taiwan, you don't go to the hospital first, you first go to a clinic. So a 诊所 is a clinic. And I speak from experience that in Taiwan, I lived in Taipei, that you can find them at many locations in the city. So it's very easy in Taiwan to get medical help. And in the West, you also have a GP, a general practitioner. So someone you go to see first before you go to the hospital. That is called a 家庭医师 or 家庭医生, which means a family doctor. You don't have these in Taiwan. So you go to the 诊所 to see the doctor. And he also has a nurse there. Nurse in Chinese is 护士. That's nurse. 护士. If he cannot treat you, you have to go to the hospital, right? You have to go to the 医院. So, if people are unable to go there themselves because it's an emergency, they go there by ambulance. Ambulance is 救护车. 救护车. Now, at the hospital and also clinics, they are usually specialized in certain areas of the body. For instance, if it's ear, nose, and throat, it's 耳鼻喉科. So 耳, it's your ear, 鼻, your nose, 喉, your 喉咙, your throat. So 科 is specialization. So usually you have the body parts and then the 科 and tells you which doctor it is. For instance, 脑科 is a department specialized in brains. And you might have 骨科, so it's specialized in bones and things surrounding the bones. So orthopedics. You have 肠胃科, they specialize in your stomach and your intestines. And you have 皮肤科，皮肤 is your skin, so it's a skin doctor. And you have 妇产科, that is gynecology. And once you finish seeing the doctor, he might give you some medicine, and you can pick these up at the 药局, that's the pharmacy. And another thing, when you go to the hospital or you go to the clinic, you go in there, you show your 健保卡. 健保 is your 健康保险, your health insurance card, and you have to 挂号. 挂号 means to register. So you get a number, and when it's called, you go see the doctor. These were some examples of where to go and whom to see. This is just a small selection of the things. Just wanted to introduce you to some. The next video, I will be talking about what things might be ailing people or why people go see the doctor. And that might be very helpful to you if you have to go see a doctor in a Chinese-speaking country. So stay tuned for that video and practice your new words and 继续加油